This is a design file from Corel Designer. It's a technical illustration tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the design. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single DES file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. A DES file is associated with Corel Designer and Pro Albar DES KTOP. It is a vector graphics file format used for storing drawings, illustrations, and technical diagrams. DES files can contain lines, curves, shapes, and text, all of which can be scaled without loss of quality. They are commonly used in technical illustration and design workflows. The DES file format is proprietary to Corel Designer. It supports various vector graphics features, including layers, gradients, and object transformations. The format is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of vector data, enabling complex illustrations to be handled effectively. The internal structure is not publicly documented. Windows registers the DES file as an opener for Corel Designer developed by Corel Corporation. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows may show the file structure, but advanced editing needs compatible software. To open this specific DES file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Corel Designer is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you are still having trouble opening the DES file, do not worry, we've got this under control. If the DES file is still closed, it's one of 3 basic reasons. Here's a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, use Corel Designer. Open the file using Corel Designer, the required application for the vector drawing. Next, check version. Ensure your Corel Designer version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to AI SVG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal format like AI or SVG. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.